Hello, everybody. This is Skeff Speaks once again, and I wanted to show some of the beauty of Indonesia's beautiful skyscrapers. Now, if you've been to Southeast Asia or Indonesia, you know the traffic can get a little bit heavy. And there are a lot of people that may be struggling or houses or buildings that may need to be torn down. On this particular video, I just wanted to show some beauty of some of the buildings that I saw without really showing people. Because I think on some of these videos here on YouTube, people like to see people struggling. How about some beauty? You know, even here in America, we have people struggling. I mean, hey, that's all around the world, right? So enjoy this beautiful scenery that I took on our holiday, or in America, we call it vacation, in Jakarta, Indonesia. Indonesia's largest city. If you've been to Indonesia or Jakarta, leave a comment and let me know what you thought about the city, the country, and share some of your experiences. This is Skeff Speaks. Until next time, peace, love, life.